All right. It's Brian Farrell, and I'm back. So I just want to come in today to show you another example of easy, simple ways to make crypto Bitcoin online from home without any money, without any referrals. So let's get it. Now, I've been on different websites, always usually for free, just showing you different ways that you can make money between you and me without having to spend a dime, without needing any referrals, without needing to put any hard work into it at all. Just simple ways, make a few clicks, passively earn some income 24/7, 7 days a week, most anywhere in the world, and it's just been happening over and over and over again. So I'm going to show you guys again one of my favorite sites that I've been using for years now. It's never been down, never had any problems, always paid on time, no fees at all, don't need any referrals, don't need to spend any money. We just make crypto happen. All right. And that is, my friends, going to be Cointiply. Cointiply is got to be one of my favorite sites that I've been using for years now because it's just too damn simple. You know what I'm saying? There's so many ways to make money on this site without having to put in a lot of effort, without having to spend any money, without having to refer people. Now, if you want to spend some money, then you can make, double, triple faster in return. You know what I'm saying? Or if you want to share this with folks, get some referrals, and you can earn from their efforts and what they do as well. But none of that's required. That's all optional, 100% optional. Now, I've done some of that too. Actually, no, I take that back. I've got some referrals, but I ain't spent no money on this site because I'm looking for free ways to make money online. Okay, and if you are in the same space that I'm in, trying to make free money online, then this is a site for you. Cointiply. All right. So I've shown you this before. I'm gonna keep showing you because it's just that easy. When you come to the website, to register and get started today, all you gotta need is an email address, preferably a Gmail address, because you're gonna need to verify your account when you first get set up. And when it comes to withdrawals, you're gonna need to verify the withdrawals. Now, there's no fees to withdraw Bitcoin straight to your Bitcoin wallet, and we're going to even show you an example of that withdrawal right now, and some of the history we've had withdrawals. It's just showing you that it's a phenomenal site. But enough of that. Let me show you how it works. We've got registered. You've seen my video before. Link below this video will show you the registration page. Use that. Pop in your email address. Create a password. Verify your account, and start making that free crypto. Right. So when you come here, first thing you want to do is go to the dashboard. And there's going to be a get started guide right here. Okay. Clicking on this guide, it's going to tell you exactly the first things you want to do on the Cointiply site. Okay. Claim the faucet. That's what I do every single day. Every hour, you can come in here and claim a faucet roll. Now, you guys know what a faucet roll is. You're just simply going to click the little button. You're going to get some free Bitcoin. Okay. Now, there's many, many ways to get paid or get earn actually Bitcoin on this site. You earn it in coins here directly on the site, right? Those coins translate 1-to-1 to US dollar value, right? And then when it's time for you to get paid out and you choose to withdraw those earnings to your Bitcoin wallet, you're going to get paid out in Bitcoin equivalent of this dollar value at the time of your withdrawal with zero fees. All right. And you get your money hit your wallet in usually just a couple hours, if that. You know what I'm saying? Never been more than 24 hours in about 2+ years that I've been on the site. Okay, so you can earn money by claiming from the faucet. You can watch some free videos. You can play some games. You can complete some surveys. You can view some point-to-click ads, and you can refer users. Now, if you do decide to refer someone, then you're going to earn up to 25% of their earnings, right? You're going to get 25% of their earnings if you decide to do that. Then they have bonuses, right? You have bonuses here that you can just double and triple your earnings if you decide to follow these extra little benefits right here. You got help and support at the bottom if you ever need any help. I've never had to hit anyone for help ever on the site. Never had to open a support ticket. Never had to do anything, any kind of downtime. It's been phenomenal. You can chat with the users right here on the chat website. The chat is phenomenal. It's always running. There's always someone in the chat to go ahead and give you some tips, pointers, whatever. But the first thing you're going to do, everybody says, oh, what are we going to do? What are we going to do when I get here? First thing you're going to do is you're going to go on the dashboard. You're going to click Get Started Here, and you're going to follow the different options it tells you. It's just that simple. Just read. Use your mind. Use your eyes. Use your PC or your phone. You can do this on your smartphone, your Android, your iPhone, whatever. And let's get paid. But let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, we're going to show you quickly how to get paid, how to earn this money. I'm going to jump over into the faucet. We're going to roll these coins. You can see here the jackpot multipliers right here. If you roll these certain numbers right here, then this is the amount you're going to pay, coins you're going to get paid out, right? So there's a multiplier game right here. You can jump into offers. You can watch videos right here. And the cool thing is when you scroll down, it's going to show you, all your activity that you've had recently when you've earned coins and your bonuses that you earn. Now, the bonuses right here, they are consecutive. So if you've been on the site for consecutive days in a row, you're going to earn bonus coins of how many days you've been here in the how many days consecutively you've been on the site. So for me, I've been on now for 97 days without missing a day. Therefore, whenever I roll the faucet, I'm going to earn a 97% bonus on top of my hourly earnings. Okay, you don't have to roll every hour. Now, if you fail to come in and roll at least once a day, then this counter will reset back to zero. So at least come in and roll once a day. Roll the faucet so you can get these free coins and keep your bonus just adding up. And then you can see here the history of your bonuses. The history just showing you how many consecutive days that you've been on the website earning free crypto and getting bonus money just for coming back to the free site to earn more free money. If you ever want to refer anybody, you can refer them right here. If you upgrade to a premium account, spend a little money, make a little money faster, you can do that here. You don't have to, not required, but if that's what you want to do, that's where you do it. Okay, you got some bonus options right here. You can read into that at your own convenience, because there's so many different ways to make money on this website that I don't want to take too much of your time showing you things that you can discover on your own because it's very simple. You don't need me to walk you through it. You don't need me to hold your hand. You're grown folk. You know how to do what grown folk do. Let's get that money. That's what we do. We get that money. We roll coins. We get paid. We come down here. We check out the bonuses, see how much we got paid, and look at our bonus. Now, what I love about this site the most, not only is it rolling the faucets, but also watching the videos. Watching the videos can earn you lots of money, or lots of coins actually, in passive time. Okay. All you gotta do is just let the videos roll, while you just do whatever you're doing, while you're out with the kids, while you're sleeping, while you're at school, while you're at work doing your day job or your night job or whatever it is. You just come in here, pick one of the programs of free videos to watch. You sign in for free using the same email address you used before on this same website, and you start getting paid. Okay. If you haven't logged in, if you haven't signed up, you're gonna click sign up right here. Otherwise, you're gonna go ahead and log in. Simple. Gmail address, email address, password, set it up, log in, and then you're good to go. You start making money. Now, every day you can come to this website, and as you're making money, there'll be a rewards option here. You can click on rewards, and there'll be a code right here. You can just click add, and you'll add these bonus points to your daily earnings of your coins that you're getting from this free video website. Okay, and then you can redeem those coins back to Cointiply and they become as an additional earning straight to Cointiply. Let me show you that real quick. Jumping back over to the dashboard, I like to go back to the faucet. That way you can see the earnings activity. And I went ahead and cashed in some of my coins earlier from the videos right here. I cashed out 6,120 coins earlier, and they came straight to the website. Last video before this one, I showed you exactly how to cash those credits out from the free videos back to Cointiply in a matter of seconds, less than 30 seconds. They hit your account here. So if you want to see how that's done, go watch that video. I'll drop a link to that video below this one so you can see exactly how that's done. But on this video, I just want to go show you guys real quick another withdrawal payout and also some withdrawal history just to show you how long this site has been paying out. Now, if you keep a balance of 35,000 coins on the site, you'll earn a 5% annual interest. and you actually get paid out you get it calculated daily, but you're paid out weekly for this interest. So I always suggest keeping at least 35,000 coins on the website, which is not hard to do. You can get that in just a matter of a couple of days just by doing simple activities right here. 2 days, 3 days, no, it's all you need. Clicking the surveys, clicking the ads, or clicking the faucet, taking some survey offers, watching the videos, let it play overnight while you're sleeping. Simple, simple, easy money. Get paid out to your Bitcoin wallet, Doge wallet, Dash, LTC. And like I said, you know, the payouts they're sent to your wallet. There are no fees when sending them to your directly to your Bitcoin wallet, your Doge wallet, LTC, or Dash wallet. All payouts are sent within 24 to 72 hours. I've never seen them go more than 24 hours on a never even no matter if it's a holiday, a weekday, a weekend, doesn't matter. 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 a.m., 4 p.m. It doesn't matter. Get your money, get your money, get your money. Let's look at a little payout history right here, right? Check out this payout history. If you look over here, you'll see I've been making withdrawals on this website, and they go back, and they go back, and they go back, and they go back. 3 years, okay? I've been getting paid from this website for 3 years, straight Bitcoin, straight to your wallet. It's so simple, so easy to do. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and make a new withdrawal right now. Okay, we're gonna cash out Bitcoin. Okay, now I've already popped in my Bitcoin wallet right here. If you haven't popped in your Bitcoin wallet, you don't have one, you can get one here. You know, those are always free as well. Make sure you know you keep your seed phrase uh, secure so no one has access to it. And then, like I said, you want to always keep 35,000 coins on the website so you can keep earn interest on those 35,000 coins. That's just me. If you want to withdraw them all, you can certainly do so. There's no penalty for withdrawing all. But if you leave 35,000 here, you'll continue to earn money, you know, on the website. Even if you don't do any other activities, you'll earn interest just for the money sitting here. Okay, so it's just that simple. But like I said, I'm gonna keep earning interest. So I'm gonna take my actual balance that I have here, my 102, 671, and I'm going to subtract out the 35,000 I want to keep on the website. So I'm going to take out 67,671, right? Let's go ahead and do that right now. 67,671. All right, we're going to go and withdraw that. Okay, are you sure you want to withdraw 67,671 coins to your account? Please double check your withdrawal address before confirming. You're going to double check this address here. First few characters, last few characters. Warning, you will not receive interest if your balance drops below 35,000, like I told you. And we're going to pop in the password. Boom, pop that in. And we're going to say, yes, I want to withdraw that. Okay, ignore that. If you got a pop-up, you don't have to do those if you don't want. Withdrawal request has been submitted. You can mark status on the payments page. Okay, it's just that simple. I talk real fast because you get paid real fast. You earn real fast. So let's get that fast money, baby. All right. So that is Cointiply. Below this video, you're going to see the link to get started. I'm also going to drop the link for the example of how to set up the free videos. I did that in an earlier video, so I'll show you that on another link below this video as well. So got the coins coming to the account now. We're going to drop back in just a few moments later, and I'm going to show you that payout was approved and sent directly to my Bitcoin wallet. All right, let's get it.